Welcome back. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss about Python file handling programming. So first let us look into what is file. So file is named location on a disk to store related information. It is used to permanently store data in a non-volatile memory, that is hard disk. So in Python, file operation takes place in the following order. Like first we need to open the file, we need to call the method called file, that is open. Then either can read or write, that is called perform the operations, and close the file. Okay, so more into that one. So file handling in Python is a process of opening, reading, writing and closing files. These are called file operations we call. So Python provides a built-in function called open, so that is used to open a file. So the open function basically takes two arguments. The one is called the file path or the file name where with extension, and other one called access mode, or the simply we call it as a modes. So the access mode can be in the following order. I mean it can be anyone, like either it is like read mode, that is R, or it is W, that means write mode, or R plus that is read and write, or W plus. So one more also we can use, that's called A, that means appending, that means we can add the content to an existing file. Okay, so let's get started with using the Python code to create Python file handling program. So here is my idle which I kept open. Okay, so let us start writing the program. So the first one, like first line here, say f1 equals to file1 equals to the open method. Okay, so this open method takes two arguments or two parameter. Say first one called file name, say file1.txt, file1.txt. So I'm creating notepad file txt, which is text file, and the mode is initially we put W, that means write. Then to insert something into that file, so f1.write, then insert some text here, like say hello to Python file handling. Okay, then close, and after that you need to close the file, this one file, so by calling the close method or close function. Then last line, so this is just only for confirmation, say like data added to a file. Okay, or file created successfully. So once you run this program, it will create a file called file1.txt. okay, in a default location. So right now this Python file is located on a desktop on a file name called a1.py. so next to that file only, so this new file is going to create, which is a text file, and in that in this text file, so this particular sentence or phrase would be added. Okay, so once I run the program, so let us run this one. All right, okay, so first go to run, then click on run module, and as you can see here, data added to file is a message. So we'll go to that locations where our Python is located, and we check whether this file created or not. Okay, so simply I minimize all windows. You can see here, so the file is called file1. You can see here this file, so file1.txt. so simply double click here, and you can see one line which is added, like hello to Python file handling, as a text is added to this file. So now the file is stored on the disk it is. Okay, we'll elaborate more on this one. So let me insert some different content to this one. Okay, say example like name equals to, so we'll input some value dynamically, say like enter name, enter name, then age equals to input, so enter age. Okay, so these two data will input to file, so that is f1.write again, f1.write. so the first one is name, and the next one f1. which is age. Okay, so let me run once again same file, so just click on run module. Okay, so this will ask you to input the name, so enter the name and enter the age. So it says data added to a file. So minimize once again, open this file, this one file1.txt, and as you can see, like very small, see, Ganesh, then the name, that age is added to this file. So to make it more proper visual appeal, so I'm just going to add here, say \n, that's a new line. Okay, so after the inserting name, I'll insert one more here, say one here also will put the \n. So once again run the program, so run module. Okay, so here enter, say RAM, then say 23. So data added to file it is. Now I will minimize once again, just check this file. You can see here, right? So one line is alarm, that's a name, and the other line is that is age. So even will make some more things to add here. So let me add, say name equals to plus. Okay, as a plus act as a concatenation, then age equals to, so plus. So run once again, just click on run module here and say run module, and insert name, say age equals to, say 25. So data added to file. So minimize once again, then go to here notepad. So this is quite easy to read, like name equals to Krishna, then age equals to 25. All right, so to add, see, whenever I change here, that old data is replaced with the new data. So to keep the old data as well, so we need to use the another method, which is another mode called A. So once the file created successfully, you just change this mode to A. A means what? Appending. That means adding content to an existing file. So let us see what will happen. So enter the name here again, then some age, press enter. Now this time around you can see two records. So one was earlier one, so you can see here both record, you can see here. So first name and then age, then second name and then age here, right? So we can keep on inserting record one by one into this file. So first time you need to keep here the mode as a access mode as a W, which is write mode, and after that you just keep this mode as a, that is A, that means appending, that means adding content to an existing file. So this is a way to create file in Python. Alright, now to read the content from this file, so let me make this as a R. Okay, and I remove all those things. See, we are going every time to check whether to that location whether the data added or not. So instead of going doing so, we can just use the R mode, I mean this next program. Okay, and here I'm going to call say fun.read. So let us run this one, and you can see here, so name and age both are displayed here. Okay, so we can display multiple records or any number of records from a file just by using the mode called R, which is read mode. Okay, so hope you like this video. So thank you for watching.